Good afternoon to everyone. Today we the group 3 now discuss or continue the topic of group 2. But before all of that, we are going to introduce ourselves. I'm the Secretary Bondok, the assistant leader of group 3.
I'm Christoph Armis, the reporter of Group 3.
I'm Jaden R.D. Garcia, the leader of Group 3.
I'm Edwin Ginsby Summer, the reporter of Group 3. I'm Noah Ibogo, the reporter of Group 3.
I'm Asher Juning Solik C. Menes, the reporter of Group 3.
Presentation outline. Ito yung mga pag-aaralan natin sa topic namin. Operational plan, workflow, monitoring and evaluation, sustainability, and financial plan.
And now, does anybody know what is this word? Daniela. And do you know what is operational plan? None? Anybody? Does anyone know what is operational plan? No? Operational plan. Operational plan is the section of a business plan that explains how the business will actually run day to day to produce and deliver its product or service. Operational plan, ito yung step by step na ginagawa natin na tumutulong sa business nyo. Kung example, kung paano nyo ba gagawin yung bread, paano nyo ba ito i-pack, paano nyo ba ito i-benta. So our next reporter will be Christoph.
Sino pwede mamula ng number? Sander.
Top.
Benedict. Naiiyak ka ba paano mag-aaral?
A little bit.
Ano?
Ito yung kung paano ko yung isang trabaho.
Workflow. Workflow refers to a structured sequence of steps, tasks, or processes that needed to be completed in a specific order to accomplish a goal or complete a task efficiently. It defines who does what, when, and how within a business operation. Ang ibig sabihin nito ay isang maayos na pagkakaayos-ayos o proseso upang magawa mo ng maayos ang gawain, matapos mo siya ng maayos at paano mo siya gagawin at mabilis mong magagawa. Ito ang example ng workflow. Inventory and estimation of the number of chocolate packs that will be produced. Purchasing of ingredients and raw materials needed. Production, packaging of the chocolate pandesals. Delivery and selling of the product. Okay.
Anyone would like to guess? Lovely. Hey! Do you have one idea? Okay. Monitoring and evaluation is a systematic process of tracking, assessing, and analyzing the performance and progress of a business, project, or program to determine whether it is achieving its goals and objectives effectively. In short, monitoring and evaluation means checking if things are doing well, like how many pandesal were sold, how many money were earned in a day, in a month, or in a year. This is an example of monitoring and evaluation in chocolate pandesal. Anyone would like to read? Easy.
Chocolate pandesal will manufacture is 100 pieces of pandesal per day. It takes less than 30 minutes to prepare and mix all the ingredients before baking. The plate and components will be well over among themselves, and one will be in charge of mixing the dough. One will handle the baking and packaging, and one will be responsible for selling and taking orders.
Anyone would like to continue? Dave.
The production hour will be done early in the morning before school
so as not to affect their studies and to ensure that the product is fresh and ready for selling by breakfast and recess time. Since the stores like to offer the chocolate content, it's about 2 to 3 days. The possibility of producing in advance for bulk orders is highly considered.
Thank you.
Check mo yung camera.
You want to take to read? Jorel.
It will provide more elementary school canteens, 20 pieces each, and 1 secondary school canteen that will serve as its main market, 30 pieces, while the remaining pieces will be sold through walk-in customers and online orders.
In this example, it means that how much money is per son and no monitoring of each workers. Thank you.
Anyone would like to get this word? Diana. Do you know what is sustainability? Anyone? Yes. Now, sustainability refers to the ability of a business to operate, grow, and remain viable over the long term without depleting the resources. Ang sinasabi dito, kung paano mo magagamit yung resources mo within a few days, months, or years. At sinasabi din dito kung paano mo ba mag-sustain yung business mo. Kung what Now, for sustainability, tinatanong din dito kung paano mo din ito ma-sustain, kung ano bang mga balak mo, kung paano mo ba ito kung problema ka, paano mo ba ito ma-resolve?
So in short, sustainability is to monitor the progress, maintain the flow, no? The cash in, the cash flow. So everything that gives your business an advantage, that is sustainability. Okay.
Guess the word. Sander.
Financial plan.
May idea ka? Wala? Financial plan. Financial plan is a comprehensive document or blueprint that outlines a business, financial goals, projections, strategies, and resources needed to achieve its objectives. It serves as the financial roadmap of the business, showing where the money will come from, where it will go, and how the business will remain profitable and financially healthy over time. Ang ibig sabihin nito ay isa tong plano o blueprint kung paano mo mamamanage ang isang business mo sa pera. Pinapakita din dito yung goals mo o yung mararating mo pwede mong marating sa isang business. Saka yung mga budget mo. Sino pwede magbasa? Hey! Love the beast.
Of three proponents who are willing to be involved in entrepreneurial practice like this.
Of school organizations, and the other one is classroom officer. They combine their talents to conduct fundraising activities to increase the capital investment of the business.
So, ang kabuuan nito ay mahalaga ang financial plan dahil gabay ito sa negosyo mo at sa tamang paghawak ng pera.
So how important is the financial plan? How important?
Very important, sir. Kasi ito talaga yung pinaka-point sa business, sir. Kasi pag hindi ka gumawa ng financial plan, sir, pwede ka mabankrupt.
Very good.
Tungo naman tayo sa mga table. Table 3. Monthly expenses of chocolate pandesal. Dito, pinapakita ang mga expenses ng isang material or mga ingredients sa chocolate pandesal.
So what is the table number 3? What's the title of table number 3?
Monthly expenses of chocolate pandesal.
Okay, so table number 3 is the monthly expenses of a finalized evaluated business plan. Okay. So whatever product it is, either a product or a service, basta table number 3, it is the monthly expenses. So when we talk about monthly expenses, it includes the rental, the salaries, the advertisement, everything that pertains to expenses and payments, right? Okay, next.
Alright, so does everyone know what it is? Thunder, do you know? Table. Table.
What table is that?
Project. Sige. You know what it is?
Projected.
Alright, sit down. Alright, so projected revenue. This table shows how much the business every day, every week, and every month, just by selling something. So, anyone would like to read this? Ding.
Ano ko na?
Pandesal flavor, chocolate pandesal, costing C 5 M2 SP7, projected volume in piece daily 150, daily revenue 1,500, projected volume monthly 3,900, monthly revenue 39,000, yearly projected 468, 468.
Oh, isa tayo naman. Okay. So projected revenue, time. What does it mean by projected revenue in layman's term? What does it mean by projected revenue?
How much the business expects to earn.
Again, make it louder.
It's the how much the business expects to earn every day or every week, every month.
Revenue means?
Money po, sir. Kung how much po yung kinita nila.
Yes, very good. Yung kinita nila. Revenue is the income or the profit made, no? So again, table number 4 is projected revenue. Okay. Ano nga kasi yung table number 3 kanina?
Monthly expense.
Monthly expense. So table number 4, projected revenue.
Revenue.
Because that's included also in your task. Okay, go.
Okay, so we are at table number 5. Can anyone read this? Leo.
Table 5. Monthly projected cost and revenue. Revenue, January, 39,000.
Thank you. Do you know, can you explain it?
Monthly projected cost and chocolate.
Okay, sit down. This table shows na kung gaano yung kinikita at ginamit sa isang business by a year and kung nagpa-profit ba to or hindi. And thank you.
Wala po di?
Table 6, project cost. Sino may idea kung ano ang meaning ng table nito?
Any idea about project cost?
Gastos ng isang business.
isang, kung wala yung ginagawa mong project, kailangan kang magpabuha ng gastos.
Sino pa? Zero. Yung mga gastos sa mga equipment or mga gamit sa mga business. Sino pa? Hero. Sino pa? Wala na? Okay, so this table shows how much money is needed to start a chocolate pandesal business and where that money will come from, either from the owner's savings or from a bank loan.
So, meaning to say, project cost, cost means the payment or an expense, right? So, pagka project cost, ito yung mga gagastusin, mga babayarin. Okay? So, again, that's table number 6. Magsimula tayo sa table number 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, very good.
Alright, so let's switch it up a little. Whoever gives me a good reason, a good explanation for loan repayment schedule gives this anyone? Anyone would like to try? No one? Loan repayment schedule. Loan repayment schedule is how the business will pay back the borrowed money from the bank, including the amount, the interest, and the yearly payment schedule.
So, meaning to say, ang loan repayment schedule, gagawa ka ng schedule mo yan, dyan, ano? Kung nangutang ka. Pero kung hindi ka nangutang, much better na pagka wala kang utang, huwag mo nang gagawin yung table number 7. Pero kapag ikaw ay kumuha ng financial assistance, either from the bank or any form of financial institution, kailangan mong gumawa ng loan repayment para hindi ka nahihirapan. Actually, accountant will be the one to prepare the table number 7, which is the loan repayment schedule. Pero much better, kapag nag-business ka, mag-start ka na hindi ka nangungutang. No? Anyway, okay, very good.
Okay, so here we are at number table, table number 8. Does anyone know what table number 8 is? Cyrus. Yung mga income na pumapasok sa business. Okay, hindi pa na to kung gano'ng, kung kumikita pa ito, ay whether it is making a profit in 3 years, and kung nag-grow ba ito ng 20% every year.
So, ang projected income statement, it shows kasi iba yung project revenue tsaka yung parang titingnan mo, projected income statement at saka projected revenue, parang iisa lang eh. Kaya lang, ang projected income statement, it's a report by year. Hindi ka tulad ng projected revenue, isang pasada lang eh. Pero yung income statement, ang pagkakaaralan mo dyan, which year ka nagkaroon ng mas malaking kita, which year na mas mababa ang kita. So in that way, mapag-aaralan mo yung magkakaroon ka ng research and analysis in regards to the earnings or revenue. Doon pumapasok ang projected income statement. Okay. Next.
Okay, we are here at table number 9. Sino may tiyak ko ng meaning ng table na ito? Wala?
Ano na dyan yung expenses?
Lahat kayo may module na.
Yeah. Sino pa? Sino pa? Wala na? Okay. This table shows all the money coming in and going out of the business. From the very start up to 3 years of operation and how much money will left at the end of each year.
Now, for all of the table 3 to 9 together show the complete picture of the chocolate pandesal business finance. From how much it cost to start and run, how much they earn, how the loan is paid, and how much profit is made over the year. Now, for social impact, does anybody know what a social impact is? None? Ano yung example dyan? Kaya magbabasa na ako, makinig kayo na maayos. Social plan, social impact. Social impact is the positive effect that a business has on people and the community. Ito yung kung paano ba nakakatulong yung chocolate pandesal sa community natin o paano ba ito nakaka-impact sa atin. Now, for long-term desired outcome, does anybody want to read this? DJ.
Our long-term desired outcome. Chocolate pandesal like feeding program members in different schools, still education in Pakistan, but elementary school, or Orogen Elementary School, and specified of every classroom, where national school. The components will also prioritize out of school review and the village families in the community. We are currently in negotiation with the school principals and barangay officials regarding the inclusion of chocolate pandesal as a nutrition and affordable snack among the students in the school's feeding program. Chocolate pandesal expects that within 3 years of operation, it can fund its own feeding program and an advocacy program for local flour oil and cocoa farmers as part of their corporate social responsibility.
Now, for long-term desired outcomes. Long-term desired outcome is a part of social impact. Pero yung long-term naman, ito yung in-expect natin sa future. The keyword is future. Kung ano bang nyo makukuha nyo sa future within 3 years. Kunyari, dahil sa sobrang laganap ng chocolate pandesal nyo, yung school natin nagpagawa siya ng feeding program. Yung pandesal na yun, pwede makatulong sa atin kasi yung chocolate nagbibigay sa atin ng energy.
Yes.
Now for next.
For the next is social impact on the community. Can anyone read? Margaret. Ay, Cyrus.
Social impact in the community. The business will not only help the malnourished and underprivileged children in the community, but also help the local food producers and suppliers of ingredients that will be the main branch of the business. It will be implemented and on-the-job training of the students inside the school as a preparation for their official training in schools. The proponents of the business will also be educators of the students taking the TPE, Technical Vocational Education, food processing, since the school is implementing this kind of curriculum. This will be a great help for them in cases where they build their own business in the future.
Basically, ang goal nito ay tutulungan ng business yung mga bata, pati yung community sa negosyo.
That's social
Para
impact.
mamamagitan ng mga training. Ito din ay positive effect ng isang business para sa community at sa mga tao at sa mga bata.
Tulad na gagawin ninyo, no? Parang ang business nyo, yung tumutulong kayo ng sa channel na, that's actually a social impact.
Aiden.
The last of social impact, business impact on the community. Anyone would like to read?
Diden.
Suri. impact in the community is kung gaano kahalaga ang business sa isang community at kung gaano ito nakakatulong sa isang community.
Very good. Kung ano yung naitutuloy niya, that is the social impact again. Very good. Is that the end of the report? Is that the end of the report, group?